Bafethu, eyona nto ndifuna unixelela yona kukuba noba kunzima kanganani ebomini kodwa impumelelo yona iyeza. I remember when I was still young, I thought that life is only depending on parents. I didn't know that life is depending upon me. So each and every time indoda mayidle ukubila kwebunzi layo, ingaxhomekeki kumabhinqa, ngoba khona amadoda enze izinto, anemizi, aneemoto, ondlelwa abantwana ngoomama. Unless only you are not working. But if you are an hustler or you got a job, please support your family, support your family, support your kids. I don't have anything, but I believe that life is only sweet when you love your family and respect people around you.